I ain't never gonna be
Ambition,
shit.
man.
You less of a man than me, so as soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit, so be it. You just a motherfucker.
Young Bishop with the steel, see me dripping juice, tighten a nigga ass up. Still I got some missing screws. Mad at the world, but I'm rich. Call me Mr. Scrooge. Type that never give a fuck, so never gotta pick and choose. Gang, we was on the church. Everybody on alert. Bro, you got the camera, take a picture. Mean somebody murk. Family got them on the shirt. All I know is doing dirt. Hit a lick and selling work. Snatch your life and snatch your purse. We never last, always first. First class till it hurts. Dirty birds like Zach Earth. Eagle on me, black jerk. Stool pigeons, rats worse. Friends betrayal, that hurts. Tempted by the cat's purse. Ride ghost, cash purse. Guess that's why they friendly. Cause the binges came friendly. And we trending, team winning. Still some niggas want an Emmy. No, they actin' need an Emmy. Leave they hair red. Wendy's from the city where it's windy. I can't break the code Da Vinci and we. Y'all see, I'm playing gang shit. It's like we flowing. You feel me? It's like I'm just coasting. You feel me? It's like I am that nigga. Oh God, fuck wrong with y'all. Straight up. Nigga, y'all should be worried about. I'm like a hawk in the sky that's observing this child. And all black like a crow with the worm in his mouth. A night owl, only hustlers and the murderers out. See me soaring like an eagle, or my stripes like a bingle. Like my bitches stack Pringles, pussy pinker than flamingos. Chicken heads leave them singles. Only good I want is deep throat. Peacock, the bitch is beautiful. Get deep bro when the beat go, oh, a cutthroat like fuck, hope I gotta get it done. All these niggas faking, where the fuck you get these niggas from? Type that got the burner when they hear a nigga hit and run. Shitting on these niggas, spread my wings, do this shit for fun. Or better do this shit for sun. Gotta get them out the slums where doves cry daily. And the vultures wait for shit is done. Bird bitches picking crumbs, make sure that my niggas won. 30 is the minimum, no gun, better get you one. Yeah, that's how we do, nigga. First class, top power shit. Shout out to the killer.